If you're using Revit 2024 and wondering where the building pad tool went, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to cut terrain and place buildings correctly using Toposolid. In Revit 2024, TopoSurface is replaced by Toposolid. You can create terrain either by importing CAD file or sketching directly. Unlike the old topography, Toposolid has thickness and material, which means better sections and quantities. You can change different Toposolid and change the thickness in type properties. Our topo surface is ready and looking good. Let's model a structure floor on it by using Floor Tools in Architecture tab. Since there's no building pad anymore, we use Cut Geometry to cut the terrain using a floor or foundation. Always check your site cuts in section. This ensures correct BIM documentation. That's how you work with site terrain in Revit 2024 using Toposolid. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials.